Good evening on a Sunday. I have a Lear propane motor here. I bought it. I bought it in 2023, I believe, at West Marine. It was discontinued. It's a propane motor. A lot of people know what they are. It's a propane motor. It's a 2013 LP 9.9 ERL, I believe. So it's got the battery cable. It's got the remote 7-prong, and I bought it. It didn't even have oil in it. I bought it new. It was on display. It was the last one there. They were getting rid of it, and I made a good deal with them. And it didn't have a remote starter with it. It didn't have any other parts with it. So I, got a good deal on it. And I went ahead and bought my a 703 Yamaha. They say the Yamaha parts are pretty close. Are pretty close to what you need for this. I'm keeping it propane. The 7-prong, I I hooked it up to my. I bought this new for about $150, and the 7-prong 703 made by Bevor. It hooked up, it attached correctly, but it blew a fuse. So the wiring, I found out later on, the wiring is not completely as it's supposed to be. I'm gonna set this down. So I took it upon myself doing more research. So what I did was I cut the sleeve open so I could peel it back and look at the wires. As you can see, expose all the wires, the colors of the wires. So like I said, it's got red, green, white. Actually, it has pink, brown, blue, and black. So what I need to do, and if anybody sees this video and can help me with the remote, what the best way to change it to where it'll work, it would be great. I've got a shifter right here, but it also everything should be able to be used from the remote plug. So I kind of took it upon myself and cut that open. Didn't do too bad, but I would love to hear from somebody that could help me out with this. I'm not electrical guru, and that's something I don't want to learn from my mistakes. So as you can see, it has all kinds of wires, and it's like I said, it's a new motor. I want to use it for my boat. I know it's going to work. I've read reviews on it. Again, this is the LP 9.9 ERL Lear motor. Here's the propane cable. So just share some comments that can help me, or if I can help you guys, let me know. Try to stay out of the picture so I can let you see the motor more. So I got a Yamaha that runs pretty good. I got a Yamaha on the boat also. This one has a minor property issue. And I can't find the parts to it. It's 2000 or 1996 or something like that, 98. It's got really a pin on it that they don't carry anymore. I don't know that I can find what I need for this motor, but it runs pretty good without it, but I don't want to use it until I get that fixed. So I appreciate it. Thank you.